Hi guys, in this video we will see how to hide apps and folders using secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. To do so, swipe down your Samsung Galaxy Android and tap on settings. Here scroll down and you will find the option security and privacy. Tap on it. Here scroll down and tap on more security settings. Here you will find the option secure folder. Tap on it. Welcome to secure folder. Maintain your privacy, enable your productivity. So tap on start. Calendar, contacts, photos and videos, music, phone, device admin apps. You will all item hide through secure folder. So follow on screen instruction to complete the secure folders settings. Keep your apps secure. Keep in mind that apps installed in secure folder. So finally your apps and private files, if you forgot how to unlock secure folder, you can reset your lock using your Samsung account. So if you sometimes it happens that you forgot your secure folder pin, here set a secure folder pin. Tap on continue. This pin is easy to guess, so change your pin. You can change or may go through this pin. Tap on OK. Allow lock reset with Samsung account. Tap on allow. You have successfully set a pin to your secure folder. Tap on next. Add items to your secure folder. Tap on plus sign and choose any app, system apps, files and folders. Turn on auto sync. It will sync. Even after hidden, it will sync. Thereafter go back and choose a custom date and time. You may add another folder. Tap on plus sign and choose any apps and files and folders. Through here simply choose and choose add, and it will add it to your secure folder. So you can add various type of apps and features of your Samsung Galaxy Android, and you can easily asked to enter your PIN to enter that particular app and folders which you have kept in secure folder. So you can also customize your settings, secure folder, encrypt, add files, contact settings, various type of feature available here. Go through and change as per your choice. So your secure folder is locked. Whenever you go to this secure folder, it will ask a PIN to enter the particular app or features. That's all.